That is right, and I'm the bull. So, who are you?
My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell. And who is your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy. Speak, boy.
Hi there. Hi there. My name is Doc.
What? You can talk? I've never met a talking dog
Oh,
before.
yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, dog. I'm Annika, a senior wilderness explorer from the local Shia tribe, Moor Lodge. Oh, Moor means peacock in the Hindi language.
Wait a minute. It's you. We found you.
Found me? Was I lost?
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you.
They don't make those anymore.
Really? It's my Wilderness Explorer camera. Hey, are they Wilderness Explorers too?
Bet they are explorers and adventurers. Who's been out earning lots of wilderness explorer badges? Shabash, wonderful!
And they should know our pledge. Oh, please, 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 can I lead it now?
Sure. Let me take your camera, then we can say it together.
My Wilderness Explorer's camera? I don't know.
Wilderness explorers honor. I'll put it somewhere, safe and sound.
Really?
Without using any speed.
I know. Would you all like to see how Miles flies in the wild, but up close and personal?
Yes.
Great! Okay, we are going to create a forest right now. So, if you're seated at the end of the road in our lower center section, go ahead and stand up. Yes. Take a step into the aisle, face the explorer opposite you. Now raise your arms or paws high up, like you're climbing trees. Yeah. Great, and hold it.
All right, guys, that looks great. So as my canopy, all you have to do is stay nice and still so we can respect our feathered friend here and watch closely. When Miles leaves my hand, he's pretty fast. What do you say, Miles? You want to show off for all these people today? Nice.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
We'll be right
Chicken
back.
birdies.
Don't come back, boy.
I think they ate more than they can handle, because chickens are fast. They're pretty smart too, right?
Yeah, you can say that again.
There are all kinds of birds here with special talents.
You got the great part right, I guess.
Yeah, Keto makes us laugh quite a bit, right?
He sure does, yeah. So my friend Keto here learned how to mimic by listening to the people he used to live with. And along the way, he picked up some great animal impressions too. So we'll see if we can try out some of those for you today. How about a big, scary tiger? Very nice, buddy.
Oh, now can Keto do anything tame?
Sure, she can do a lot of different things. So maybe we can go a smaller version of that tiger. I like to call those a kitty cat. Very cute, right? So obviously this animal likes animals. So we thought, how would it be to teach her to sing an entire song about animals? So what do you say? Do you want to see if she'll try that song for us today? Yeah? Okay, Keto, are you ready? They want to hear you. You're staring off into space. There's nothing out there. You ready? Let's sing.
Oh,
Nope.
At least lighter, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's try that again. You ready? Let's sing. There we go. I have to tell you a secret. My favorite part about that song is that it's different every single time Keto sings it. Yeah, it makes it fun for all of us. And Keto is pretty impressive up here. He's getting some nice tasty treats for singing that really challenging song. And then he's going to show off that he can mimic all of you by coming to these shows. So let's try that applause one more time and let's see what happens. Anything? I guess not. Are you protesting? No? Okay, try one more time. Let's see. There we go. That's what we're talking about. job, Keto. He was great out here today. I think it is time to say goodbye to Keto. So let's go ahead and tell all these folks goodbye, but you don't want to do it with your mouth full, do you? That's probably not the safest thing, to talk with your mouth full. So we can say goodbye?
Bye. Everyone, say goodbye to Keto. Bye, Keto. Thank you so much. And humility. I call this beautiful creature Nabil, which is a very noble name. And not only is Peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie. A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Well, Russell, did you know there are thousands and thousands of bird species?
Bird, oh, pleasure.
We're glad we got to meet all of our feathered friends here today.
Like Doug and right, Russell?
That's right. Oh yeah, the wilderness must be explored.
Now let's go and have a wonderful next adventure. Namaste. Bye.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh, I love them.
Wait up! Wait up!
Thank you for joining us for a great bird adventure. Now please, gather all of your belongings, take small explorers by the hand,